All right. So it says, which of the following quantities are discrete? Now, so discrete means that it's a whole number, right? And that means it's not a fraction or it's not a decimal, right? So it's not a fraction or a decimal. Well, I ran out of room there. So we got to think, is this a whole number? So when I say whole number, do you guys know what I mean by whole numbers? 1, 2, 3. Notice that those are not fractions. 4, 5, and so on and so forth. But they're not fractions and they're not decimals. Sometimes we refer to these as counting numbers. Like if I were to count things, like real things, like I would count 1 apple, 2 apple. You normally don't count a half an apple. So it says the number of students who pass the test. Is that discrete or continuous? Well, I'd never have 3.5 students pass a test. That is definitely discrete, okay? So that's discrete. What about the speed of a car? Can I have the car go 65.5 miles per hour? Yeah. So that one is continuous. So that one won't work. That's not discrete. That's continuous. I could go 65.5 miles per hour. What about the temperature throughout the day? Is that discrete or continuous? It's continuous, right? So that one won't work. Good job. You guys are getting it. What about the number of pages in a book? Yeah, that one's probably going to be discrete, right? So the discrete ones are 1 and 4. You guys know how to read Roman numerals? Okay. Any questions on that one? So the reason we talk about discrete and continuous is because when we measure things, as you can see, sometimes we have decimals and fractions, and sometimes we just have whole numbers.